I'm Josh. I'm a site manager at Iberdrolaaustralia. A standard day at the wind farm is operating and maintaining turbines, assets and infrastructure, and a lot of farming activities, fencing, road grading, just general maintenance activities for the roads and infrastructure around the wind farm. I like working at the wind farm because there is a range of activities you get to do, working with landowners, neighbours, different equipment manufacturers, and just being outdoors and getting to see the greater environment. It's just amazing. Born and bred in Orange, New South Wales. You know, it's a great community, great environment, beautiful part of the world. Here at the wind farm we have a large road network, a lot of civil infrastructure, and we needed a machine that can do everything. We need to be able to grade roads, transport rock and material around the wind farm. We needed the most universal machine that we could get. The important factors we needed for this machine was versatility. We need to be able to drive on public roads throughout the wind farm and be able to go everywhere we needed to go. We needed a 4-in-1 bucket just for picking up branches, trees, a grader to grade roads, some pallet forks to transport equipment around the wind farm, and a mulcher to maintain some of the vegetation around the wind farm. We work closely with On-Track Ag locally to purchase this equipment, fitting it out with all the fine challenge implements. The reason we went with Challenge Implements are they're a local supplier of great products that could deliver what we need at the wind farm.